Hi everyone, today I'm going to share with you how to use the colour wheel to match the colours you need with the 5 tubes of paint I talk about in my colour theory video. I printed a photo of the moon and I'm matching the colours I need, starting with the darkest, which is a dark yellowy brown colour. I start with yellow and darken it with black, which turned it green, so I need to remove the green. To do that, I find green on the colour wheel and the colour opposite is red, so I add some magenta red. If it's too bright, grey will dull it down. I use a small piece of paper to compare until I find the colour I need, and even if it's too dark, it doesn't matter, you can always correct it later. If you find it's beginning to look too orange, add blue, which is the opposite to orange on the colour wheel. This will work with any colour as long as you follow the same principles. So I basically repeat this process for the entire painting. The less tubes of paint you use, the less decisions you have to make. Painting is a good practice of decision making, adjusting, comparing,
pushing and pulling paint around, back and forth, layering, darkening,
lightening, brightening colours or meeting them.
It becomes second nature after a while. Art is very good for the brains and increasing your creativity. Like the quote I read by Maya Angelou, you can't use up creativity. The more you use, the more you have. As the colours become lighter, I just add white to the darker colours instead of mixing new colours and adjusting as needed. Obviously, when needed, use smaller brushes for the finer details in the moon. To create the illusion of texture on the moon, I applied the paint more generously. I wanted a dark blue background, so I referred to the colour wheel. The colour I wanted was somewhere between blue and blue-purple shade. By mixing some magenta and black into blue, I easily found the colour I needed. I hope you found this video helpful. And please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and join my mailing list to receive a free beginner's guide to colour theory. And I'll also send you a colour wheel template to print out and a copy of my colour wheel featured in my colour theory video.
brains.